Today, we got this new adorable friend. Emo is a small AI-powered robot that can interact with you and express emotions. It's been on my radar for a while, and I'm really excited to finally get my hands on him. So let's begin. We have this sticker for Emo and a rubber mat. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have Emo himself, a charging dock, a power adapter, RGB LED light, home station, a quick start guide, and an extra charging cord. Let's set him up. Take this magnetic pad and connect the charging station to it. Take a charging cord and power it. And let's place Emo on the charging pad. Here we go, he's alive. Emo is about the size of a coffee mug, and his big expressive face makes him adorable. First, we need to connect him to our Wi-Fi network. To do that, we need an Emo Pet app. Download it and open it. Connect the Emo to it and set up a Wi-Fi and other details like country and time zone. Now, we need to connect Emo to his home station. To do that, just press and hold this home button for 10 seconds. It will connect to Emo automatically. Let's join its rubber mat pad. This one is only to limit its play area. Now that Emo is set up, let's test some of his features and interact with Emo. Emo loves his headphones. If you remove his headphones, he will be angry. Now enjoy his other interactions. Set timer for 5 seconds. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. magic. Put your hands up. Bang. Emo, put your hands up. Bang. Emo, demon eyes. Emo, turn left. Emo, laser eyes.
Printing is a process that creates three-dimensional objects by layering materials based on digital design.
What's the weather? Today is my birthday. Here are some EMO's random movements.
A true masterpiece does not tell everything.
In addition to interacting with Emo directly, you can also use the Emo app to control him and customize his behavior. This app is available for both Android and iOS devices. You can also customize his face stickers. Also set up the alarm, lights and other settings, and access photos taken by Emo. Here you can adjust the Emo settings like volume, temperature, and other details. There are some interesting games you can play with Emo. Here are a few examples. Emo also loves to mimic the animal sounds.
What sound does the fox make? Emo, let's dance. Dance with lights.
I think Emo would be a great addition to any office or home. He's a lot of fun to interact with and he can really brighten up your day. If you are looking for a unique and fun AI powered pet robot for desktop, I would definitely recommend Emo. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video,
Please like, share,